Delightful good morning to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Aditi Shangan, along with my fellow presenters from grade 10D, are here to conduct morning assembly and convince you why positivity always wins. It is important for us to face off ups and downs with good attitude. It is all about us and our mindset. To elaborate more on this, let's welcome our next presenter, Aishma Mokhtar.
So, talking about positive attitudes in our life with all distraction, the only way to move is to concentrate, and by being positive, that drives us to success. It is a thing that makes or breaks a person. If you have a positive attitude in our life, you will always look at the better side of things. You will bring out positivity out of every situation, which will help you free and your mind peaceful. A positive attitude keeps us in right situation even in our hard times. But negative mind not only keeps us down but makes lose our moral value. As there is a saying, empty mind is a devil workshop. Furthermore, I'd like to hand over the mic to Rodin to say something about the effect of positive attitude in students' life. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. It's me, Rodin, to stand in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic of positive attitude always wins. Student life is one of the hardest stages of human life. Knowingly or unknowingly, we all are depressed by the pressure in our day-to-day life. We have to try hard to achieve a goal. We need to be positive, think positively, and have faith in ourselves. We have to be a better version of ourselves, but for that, we have to be as we are. But the difference is that we need to change the way of thinking and behaving. So be positive. Now I would like to hand over this mic to Sarvaga Dhoni to say the thought of the day.
A very warm and delightful morning to everyone present in the school premises. I, Sarvaga Lohani from grade 10, we would like to present the thought of the day to support our topic, positive attitude always wins. Here I begin. Life is a constant cycle of problems. We need to face them with positive attitude. I repeat, life is a constant cycle of problems and we need to face them with positive attitude. Be positive. Now I would like to hand over the mic to my friend Unnati Sangat to continue the speech. Thank you.
My name is Unnati Sangat and now I would like to continue the speech. If we train ourselves to look at everything in life with positive attitude, we find that life is not so hard as we think. We can make our world a better place to live. Different kinds of people around us. It is hard to find peace. Every day, everyone is struggling to become successful in life. Everyone has problems and sorrows to deal with. How can we get over the depression and achieve our goals? The answer is positive attitude and thinking. By saying this much, we would like to conclude our speech and thank our class teacher Balkrishna and school management for giving us this opportunity with you all. Thank you and have a glorious day ahead.